Imagine being a self-made billionaire before the age of 28, shaping the future of artificial intelligence and aiding some of the world's largest companies while doing so. Today, we delve into the story of a young prodigy who is not only doing all this, but has also earned the title of the youngest self-made billionaire in the world. From humble beginnings in a scientifically innovative environment, this brilliant mind has stepped into an arena where data is king. So, are you curious to know how he did it, why he did it, and what's next? If yes, stick around for the entire video. Trust me, his tale is the kind of thing that stirs you up and gets you going. His name is Alexander Wang, and it all started when he was a student at MIT, studying computer science and math. He was very passionate about AI and machine learning, and he wanted to build cool things with them. But he faced a problem. He didn't have enough data to make his AI models work well. You see, data is the fuel for AI, and without it, AI cannot learn or improve. And not just any data, but high-quality labeled data that can be used to train AI models. For example, if you want to build an AI system that can recognize faces, you need a lot of images of faces with labels that tell the AI what each face looks like. But labeling data is not easy. It's tedious, time-consuming, and expensive, and most companies don't have the resources or expertise to do it themselves. Wang discovered this problem firsthand when he tried to build a camera inside his fridge. Why did he do that? Well, one reason was he had a suspicion that one of his roommates was stealing his food, and he wanted to catch him red-handed. But he also wanted to collect information to help him buy groceries and avoid wasting food. So he installed a camera inside the refrigerator that would take pictures of the food items and send them to his phone. He thought it was a fun and useful project, but he soon realized that it was harder than he thought. He needed a lot of data to train his AI model to recognize different types of food, and he had to label the data manually by himself. He wondered if there was a better way to do it, and if other people had the same problem. That's when he had his eureka moment. He realized that there was a huge gap in the market for AI infrastructure and that he could fill it with his idea. He decided to drop out of MIT and join Y Combinator, a prestigious startup accelerator program in Silicon Valley. And even though he didn't have a clear idea of what kind of startup he wanted to create, he knew he wanted to do something with AI. Then he came up with the idea for Scale AI, a company that provides AI infrastructure for developers to build from. Scale AI uses a combination of humans and machines to label data for various use cases, such as image recognition, natural language processing, document analysis, and more. It also provides tools and APIs for developers to integrate their labeled data into their AI models and applications. In no time, Scale AI became one of the most valuable AI startups in Silicon Valley, with a valuation of more than $7.3 billion. That means Wang owns an estimated 15% stake in Scale AI, which makes him worth more than $1 billion. He is the new youngest self-made billionaire in the world, according to Forbes. And he did all this before he turned 28. Now let's rewind back to 1996, because that's when his story actually kicked off. He was born in Los Alamos, New Mexico, to a couple of Chinese immigrants who were working as scientists at the Los Alamos National Laboratory. This is the place where the first atomic bomb was developed. So you can imagine that Wang grew up in a very scientific and innovative environment. He was always interested in math and computer science, and he started coding when he was just 8 years old. He was a prodigy, winning several national math competitions and getting accepted into MIT at 18. You know, even when Alexander was just a kid, you could tell he was going to do something big. Life nudged him towards the world of artificial intelligence, but honestly, he could have nailed it in any field. That's just the kind of guy he is. His billion-dollar brainchild, Scale AI, was born out of something as simple as a fridge camera catching his interest. Just goes to show, curiosity really can pay off big time. Scale AI's vision is to make AI accessible and scalable for everyone. Wang believes that every company will need AI in the future, just like every company needs software today, and he wants Scale AI to be the platform that enables that future. The company has grown rapidly since its launch in 2016. It has raised nearly $300 million from investors like Tiger Global Management, Founders Fund, Index Ventures, Coa2 Management, and others. It has around 300 employees and serves hundreds of clients from different industries. Some of its clients are big names like Uber, Airbnb, Toyota, PayPal, General Motors, OpenAI, Samsung, Pinterest, and more. Even the US Army uses Scale AI's software to quantify the damage caused by Russian bombing in Ukraine. Honestly, Scale AI's impact is huge. It helps companies improve their AI systems and products by providing them with high-quality data. For example, Scale AI helps Uber improve its self-driving cars by labeling images of roads and traffic signs. It helps Airbnb improve its search engine by labeling images of properties and amenities. It helps Toyota improve its robotics by labeling images of objects and actions. And it is not only helping companies with their existing AI projects, but also enabling new ones that were not possible before. For example, Scale AI helped OpenAI create GPT-3, one of the most advanced natural language processing models in the world that can generate realistic and coherent text on any topic. Given a few words or sentences as input, it can write anything from essays to poems to code, and it's mind-blowing, honestly. Scale AI is also helping to advance the field of AI research and innovation, because Wang is a big supporter of open source and collaborative AI development. He's actually one of the founders of OpenAI, a nonprofit research organization that aims to create and promote beneficial AI for humanity. He is also one of the backers of the AI Grant, a program that gives $5,000 to anyone with a good idea for an AI project. Wang is not only a visionary entrepreneur, but also a generous philanthropist. He has donated millions of dollars to various causes, such as education, health, environment, and social justice. He is also a mentor and advisor to many young and aspiring entrepreneurs, especially those from underrepresented backgrounds. He wants to inspire and empower the next generation of AI innovators. So, what's next for Wang and Scale AI? Well, Wang says he has no plans to slow down or sell his company. He says he wants to keep building Scale AI for the long term and make it the most impactful AI company in the world. He says he wants to democratize AI and make it available for everyone. He says he wants to solve the hardest and most important problems with AI, and I believe him. Because Wang is not just a billionaire. He is a leader, a pioneer, a trailblazer. He is someone who saw a problem and created a solution. He is someone who took a risk and followed his passion. He is someone who is changing the world with AI, and it all started with a camera in refrigerator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.